guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky. I have a really quick cymbal tip for you. The cymbals, as well as the drums, are instruments. They're meant to be played, and they're meant to be played musically. That means that they have a wide range of dynamics, from very soft up to very loud. The drums as well, very soft up to very loud. At the highest dynamic, we're crashing the cymbal with the shoulder of the stick, really letting the cymbal open up, wash out, and sound really nice and big. But at the lowest dynamic, we can really touch the cymbals and get a lot of different sounds out of them that we don't normally think to get. And one of them is to get this nice, subtle bell sound without actually hitting the bell of the cymbal. Now, every cymbal has a bell. The bell is the center part of the cymbal. It's the part where we get towards the cymbal stand and the cymbal kind of bumps up like that. Now, we can play the bell of the cymbal, but it generally has a really heavy, cutting, sharp sound to it. That's why, like in a rock chorus or something, we might ride on the bell and really get that to stick through. No pun intended. Puns are always intended with me. Anyway, so if we want to get a subtle bell sound, we can strike the cymbal, or hit the cymbal, or whatever you want to call it, on the edge of the cymbal with our stick perpendicular to the cymbal. So you want to get the stick as close to perpendicular as you can. Now you can try this with the tip of the stick if you have good aim, but it's better to get really the shoulder of the stick right here, perpendicular with the cymbal. And you move the stick into the cymbal, perpendicular, and you'll hear you get a nice, chimey, bell type sound. It'll cut through really well in a quiet dynamic. You can do it on the hi-hat cymbals as well to get an interesting or kind of different type of sound. So when would you use this? Well, you can use it in a solo, you can use it in a lower dynamic setting of a piece of music that you're playing with a group or your band, something like that. Or you can just kind of start to be creative with it, add it into beats and grooves. The easiest way I found to do this is just to kind of bring your elbow up, come around and just move the stick in. Depending on where the cymbals are, you may have to adjust your cymbals in order for your sticks to get to them perpendicularly. If you set your cymbals up flat like this, then you're really going to have to get that stick straight up and down. My cymbals are a little bit angled towards me, so when I come up towards the cymbal, you'll see my stick is at this angle because my cymbal sits at this angle, and I'll move forward into that cymbal at the angle that the cymbal's sitting at. So you need to take into consideration how your cymbals are sitting on the stand. If you don't hit them exactly perpendicular, they'll just bend, or they'll move on the stand, and you'll just get more of a crash sound and not a bell sound. Another way that I have done this in the past is if you play traditional grip, it helps because you can just turn your wrist over and go up that way. So if you have traditional grip, you just turn your wrist this way and move your fingers out this way, and it'll hit. You can also get the same thing as if you play match grip. If you're going up towards the cymbal, bring your index finger up over the stick like that, and then as you're coming, release the thumb as you're coming towards the cymbal, turn the wrist over and just open the hand, and the stick will get into this position, which allows for you to get there. So from here, stick over to there. And you can work on that motion, just like that. And you can hear I'm not getting all those perfect, so it's going to take you a little bit of practice to get it right on. And if you get really good at it, you can play strokes on the drums. And get right into that bell sound. Hey guys, I hope that helps you out. Please like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification thing so that you can see whenever a new video comes out from me, and share this with somebody if you think it might help them out. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks.